Starting around 20 September 2023, Dogelon Mars truly is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71% in kind of most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Elon in every practical sense has an especially all-out market cap of $84,721,252, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,455,692. Or so they essentially thought. This explicitly makes Dogelon Mars, Elon, certainly positioning at 262 in the digital money market, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Will Elon cost most certainly outperform its untouched high, which by and large is genuinely huge. These by and large are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future, further showing how might Elon cost explicitly outperform its untouched high, which especially is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value expectation 2023. As per the Dogelon Mars figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Elon cost really is supposed to cross an exceptionally normal value level of $0.00000018, the normal for the most part least value worth of Dogelon Mars, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to in every practical sense be $0.00000018, which basically is very critical. Besides, Elon can arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0.00000020 in an unobtrusive manner. Elon value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars sort of is gauged to basically be at around an especially least worth of $0.00000015, which essentially shows that starting around 20 September 2023, Dogelon Mars certainly is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71%. In certainly most recent 1 hour in and in every practical sense, huge way. The Dogelon Mars value worth can in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.00000017, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $0.00000016 in United States dollars. So will Elon value sort of outperform its record-breaking high, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Elon value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars in a real sense is determined to all things considered be at around an especially least worth of $0.00000016, which essentially is genuinely huge. The Dogelon Mars value worth can basically arrive at an essentially limit of $0.00000017, with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $0.00000017 in United States dollars, which is very huge. Elon value conjecture October 2023. The Dogelon Mars figure for October 2023 expects that the Elon may in a real sense arrive at a greatest worth of $0.00000018, with an in every practical sense least cost of around $0.00000017, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Discussing the sort of typical value Elon can explicitly stretch around $0.00000017 for October in an extremely significant manner. Dogelon Mars value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars in every practical sense is supposed to essentially be at around a sort of least of $0.00000017 in a very significant manner. Dogelon Mars cost can truly arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of $0.00000019, with the exceptionally normal cost of $0.00000018 in United States dollars, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. Elon value gauge December 2023. With respect to December 2023, Dogelon Mars essentially is supposed to, all things considered, arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of $0.00000018 in an especially enormous manner. The elon cost could fundamentally arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $0.00000020, with the very normal cost around $0.00000018 in a very significant manner. Dogelon Mars truly passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto by and large has been diminished by 0.65% in its truly current worth, showing how Dogelon Mars exceptionally passed value examination in the for the most part beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been essentially diminished by 0.65% in its by and large current worth in an unpretentious manner. On the off chance that we basically analyze the genuinely current market cap of the elon with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap truly is likewise down. Sort of additional appearance. How starting around 20 September 2023, Dogelon Mars essentially is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71% in especially most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars explicitly is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins in an exceptionally significant manner. The elon in a real sense is down to nearly 1.37% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days. Pretty further appearance how Dogelon Mars especially passed value examination in the essentially beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been in a real sense diminished by 0.65% in its ongoing worth, showing how Dogelon Mars fundamentally passed value investigation in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto certainly has been diminished by 0.65% in its by and large current worth, which for the most part is very critical. The coin really is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for pretty past especially couple of days. The coin could have serious areas of strength for especially at the same time. We don't generally feel that it would a productive resource in especially present moment, which basically is very huge. Dogelon Mars value estimate 2023 facts. What will especially be Dogelon Mars pretty worth in 2023 in a by and large significant manner? The elon cost really is gauged to arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0.00000020, with especially least cost of $0.00000018 toward the finish of 2023, which generally is genuinely huge. Does Dogelon Mars especially have a future in a genuinely huge manner? As far as value, Dogelon Mars sort of has an exceptional extremely potential to for the most part arrive at new levels. Truly further appearance how Dogelon Mars elon value expectation 2023, as per the Dogelon Mars figure cost and